Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a quick verification, confirm model and firmware, and make a backup. This prevents data loss. Next, stop any autosync or watch service so changes aren't overridden. Use admin or root credentials to gain the needed access. Without them, you cannot remove the key safely. Once done, list active watch processes and note their ID. This lets you target the correct service. Make sure to keep the backup handy in case you need to restore original settings. Now find the automatic watch key. Inspect config files, registry paths, or keychains where it resides. Check permissions so you can modify or remove it. Use a stepwise approach. First disable the watch entry in settings, then rename the file or entry. This provides an easy rollback, and finally delete it when you're certain. After removal, update service or daemon configs and restart the affected services to apply changes. This sequence prevents orphan references and keeps system stability intact. Finish by verifying removal. Check system logs and run status commands to confirm the watch key no longer triggers. If you see errors, restore the renamed file from your backup and recheck permissions, then attempt removal again more cautiously. Make sure caches and temporary config stores are cleared and restart system-level services or the device to flush residual references. If problems persist, the key may be recreated by another process. Identify that process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.